Okay, hi guys, Gus here. Hi, how are you doing? Right, basically I have here a CCTV system I bought off eBay through an eBay auction. I think the charity I bought it from Scope, and this must have been donated to them, so they auctioned it off. It's brand new. The date today is the 10th of January 2025. And I just want to do an unboxing video. Basically, this is a PoE camera CCTV system. The last CCTV system I bought off eBay was made by Florian. I think I paid £50 for it. It was probably like nearly 10 years ago. Very basic, but it did the job. It was 4 cameras, and yeah, it was fine. So I decided to upgrade. So here it is. It's the Ie82 model, not the Ie92. So I'm assuming the Ie82 is probably different because of maybe camera resolution. Maybe it has better resolution on this particular model. I don't know. Some stuff is just falling out. So in the box, what we got? We got your mouse mat. Looks like a warranty card. That's one side, and there's your instruction manuals. So basically, a lot going on there. I'll read that later on. Right, so let's have a look what's inside the box. Okay, let's start with this little box. What's in here? Right, I'm assuming everything in here is probably going to be like power supply, the screws, the cameras on the wall. Should be 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 there. That's your HDMI lead. Ethernet lead, that's probably for the router. You got your mouse there, and obviously power supply as well. And I'm assuming these little buggers here are your like templates that you put on the wall, so you can drill in to mark it up, ready to screw your cameras into the wall. Okay, let's close all that back up. That's one box. Okay. These, I'm assuming they're the cameras, because we have 1, 2, 4 camera boxes in there should be. Can I get this one out? Oh, there you go, little squeeze through. Yeah. So we have 4 boxes here. I'm assuming these are the cameras. Let's have a look. Okay. Polystyrenely packed. Oh, that's quite a large size camera. Fairly surprised. I mean, my Florian set that I bought from eBay, it was like 50 quid. The cameras were like probably this big, including the bracket. So yes, fairly big size that. This is obviously a screen protector there, which you can peel off when you set it all up. So I won't go through all four of the boxes, because they're all going to be pretty much the same. There they are. Yeah, they're all pretty much the same. Okay, so to one side. Let's see what else we got in the box. Right. Okay. Assuming this big bad boy, I wasn't expecting it to be this big. It's the DVR system. The system that records all your footage. Let's open that up and have a look. Now again, my Florian system, the box was probably like that big, the DVR box. This is bigger, heavier. 2 TB hard drive I think is in there. I can see a hard drive inside there. Here you got your 8 camera ports, your VGA ports. You want to connect into a PC monitor. You got your HDMI, Ethernet, for connecting into your modem router. Then you've got your USBs. Obviously one will be for the mouse, and you've got an audio out port there as well, and there's your on off switch, Iegeek on the front. So yeah, that's it there. Okay, put that back in the packaging. Just like that. I'm putting all this away because I'm not going to be installing this today, but in January it's cold outside. I'm going to wait until the spring. I will sort of like test it, obviously, before I set it all up to make sure it all works. Right. In you go, just like that. Okay, alright, so the last bit in the box, that's it, empty, is I'm showing the cables. Wow. Yeah, they're quite thick. Obviously, they gotta be, because there's a lot of cables running through that. You're gonna have your power, your audio, your video. Again, my Florian CCTV system only had 2 wires. One was the power supply, and the other one was a video, because at the time my CCTV system didn't have audio record, whereas this one does. So basically everything is fed through there: power, video, audio. So it's quite a clever idea. Ethernet style. So yeah, that's everything there. Okay, so like I said, it was just a quick unboxing video. Just wanted to give you guys a rough idea what you're getting, and then when we get a chance to set it up, we'll get to see another video to see how it all works. Right, just put that back in there, and that's everything there. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Sorry it was quick, but it was literally just an unboxing video, just to give you an idea if anybody wanted to buy one of these, just so they have an idea of what they know they're going to be looking to get. And thank you for watching the video, guys. Have a good one.